Kajing Shapanyap U Raja Raghuvanshi, Kalawanda Kajing Sapran Jokilat Pathai Kubor Kari, Nen National Media, Banpan Bunami Kajala Meghalaya, Kum Kaktem Ki Kam Sneo. Hapokran Halor Kaneu Ba Polling Dog Bade Mintri Sarkar, Ula Ong Bakilat Pathai Kubor Kari, Kisha Shiliang, But Tieng Yaka Jingkiew Ka Meghalaya, Haka Kam Jngohkai, But Kilastang Ban Pynthohbria Yaka Bamla Ban Pedang. Ula Ong Bakasora Kam Jupan Besnam Naduki Por Mishwa, Hadu kini kisngi bat kapdiangi kinawan kai da kabakamen bakin wan bat kam judan kanu ka kam thambor. Kasora kadai kacaka kabuan Thomas Jones ka Ram Krishna Mission bat kiwei ki badan kam hakaperthai bat kani ka jingmi kubor kadai hok ban pendam ya ka jingtumu ban yalam bakla ya kasora bat kajela.
As I said the other day, the national media always has had a bias against the Northeast, and they see Meghalaya's growth as a threat to their growth, the growth of the tourism sector in the rest of the country. Therefore, this attitude is most condemnable, most reprehensive, and on our part, as this case, as I said that day, this is a one-off case, an isolated case, and in fact, we do not know what actually happened. Until all the investigation is completed, there is no final word that can be said on the matter. Therefore, I vehemently condemned the attitude of the national media. It just shows their bias against our region, and especially with the growth of tourism in Meghalaya, they see that as a threat. But let me remind them and also the people of Meghalaya that Sora Cherpanji has had decades of tourism without any blot on its character. There has been no record of any incidents of violence ever in the past, and we have had the first missionaries who landed at Sora in 1841. We have the Ram Krishna Mission, which has its biggest network in the state, which with headquarters at Sora. So therefore, this attitude only betrays their lack of understanding of Meghalaya and also a deep-seated malice towards the state and its people.